45 next-level camping gear and gadgets 2025.
Gear up for the ultimate outdoor adventure with next-level camping gear and gadgets 2025. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend explorer, these cutting-edge tools will revolutionize the way you experience the great outdoors. From high-tech tents and solar-powered gadgets to ultra-light cooking gear and survival must-haves, we've curated the best innovations to enhance your comfort, safety, and convenience. Get ready to upgrade your camping setup and make your next trip unforgettable with these game-changing essentials. Without further ado, let's get started.
At your fingertips. Meet the Campo Escape. These cutting-edge tools will revolutionize the way you experience the great outdoors. From high-tech...
Escaping into nature should be seamless, with protection, comfort, and adaptability at your fingertips. Meet the Campo Escape M4 tent, a game changer offering a unique, fully retractable canopy that lets you choose between sun, shade, or total sanctuary. It is designed for versatility and features a spacious 70 square foot interior that comfortably sleeps 4, with a bathtub-style ground sheet for full bug protection. A robust exoskeleton of hybrid aluminum and fiberglass ensures strength and flexibility, while the 3,000 millimeters of waterproof material and elasticated spiderweb Rainfly keep you dry. Setup takes just 10 minutes, and the tent includes a gear loft, side pockets, and 3 overhead ventilation panels. Plus, every purchase plants 50 trees, making your adventure even more meaningful.
Innovations to enhance your comfort, safety, and convenience. Get ready to upgrade your camping setup and make your next trip unforgettable with these game-changing essentials.
Packing for an adventure is always a challenge. Bring too much and you're weighed down. Bring too little and you're unprepared. The Trailhopper's Cape Hammock solves this dilemma with its 4-in-1 design, transforming effortlessly into a hammock, rain poncho, picnic blanket, or shelter. Made from durable ripstop nylon with UHMBA WPE webbing, it's lightweight, compact, and built to last. As a poncho, its 2,000 millimeters of waterproof DWR coating and adjustable fit keep you dry. Need shelter? Convert it into a fully waterproof tarp with stakes for multiple configurations. Complete with ultralight straps and carabiners, this nomad-friendly cape is the perfect all-in-one essential for travelers, trekkers, and nature lovers who want maximum versatility with minimal weight.
Between sun, shade, or total sanctuary, it is designed for... Get ready to upgrade your camping setup and make your next trip unforgettable with...
Bad weather shouldn't stop you from doing what you love, but regular umbrellas keep one hand occupied when you need it most. Introducing Umbra Hands-Free Umbrella, a revolutionary backpack that integrates a hands-free umbrella for ultimate convenience. This high-quality, breathable backpack keeps you comfortable while carrying your essentials. And when rain hits, simply attach the umbrella to the interior bracket for instant protection. The waterproof pocket ensures your gear stays dry, while the SPF 50 undercoating provides shade on sunny days. With features like an insulated drink compartment, integrated phone charger, and multiple storage pockets, Umbari keeps you organized, dry, and ready for any adventure, truly redefining how we face the elements.
That lets you choose between sun, shade, or total sanctuary. It is designed for survival must-haves. We've curated the best innovations to enhance your comfort, safety, and convenience.
When venturing outdoors, reliable lighting is essential for safety and convenience. Introducing the Olight Array Pro Gewinspiel, a powerful headlamp designed to brighten your adventures. It offers up to 1,500 lumens of light, illuminating large areas with ease, and a beam range of up to 150 meters. Featuring multiple brightness levels, it allows you to adapt to any situation. The built-in red LED is perfect for preserving night vision, while its SOS mode adds extra security. Designed for comfort, the Array Pro's lightweight construction and separated light source and battery ensure balanced wear. The battery provides up to 27.5 hours of use and charges conveniently via USB-C. Additionally, a 60-degree tilt in the light unit ensures the beam is always directed where needed. With gesture control, hands-free operation is a breeze. Durable and waterproof, the Olight Array Pro is built for rugged conditions, making it an ideal companion for any outdoor activity.
Fully retractable canopy that lets you choose between sun, shade, or total sanctuary. Gear and survival must-haves, we've curated the best innovation innovations to enhance your comfort, safety, and convenience.
Outdoor adventures require reliable gear that adapts to any situation, but carrying multiple tools can be inconvenient. Introducing the Clever Stick Trekking Pole, a Swiss-engineered innovation that combines a lightweight trekking pole with 6 essential functions. Use it for hiking, walking, or skiing, and quickly transform it into a chair, selfie stick, camera tripod, or avalanche probe. Made from durable carbon fiber and aluminum, it features a unique quick-lock connection system for easy adjustments and compact storage. At just 205 grams per stick, it's ultra-lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Designed for adventurers of all levels, the Clever Stick ensures you're always prepared. Whether on a rugged trail, a snowy slope, or capturing the perfect shot.
At your fingertips. Meet the Campoist with 45 next-level camping gear and gadgets. 2020.
Lightweight and efficient gear is essential for fast-paced outdoor adventures. Introducing the Gossamer Gear Fast Kumo, a redesigned version of the classic Kumo built for speed and comfort. Crafted from durable custom 70D and 100D Robic nylon, this pack is designed for endurance and resilience. It offers a vest-like fit, allowing it to sit higher and tighter on your back for enhanced stability. Featuring dual sternum straps, side compression, and a signature over-the-top closure, the pack ensures a snug fit. The 10 external pockets and 5 accessory attachment points provide ample storage, while the bungee attachment system keeps your gear secure and accessible. Ideal for fast packing, this lightweight pack is perfect for those who need speed, comfort, and ample storage on the go.
From high-tech tents and solar-powered gadgets to ultra-light cooking gear and survival must-haves, we've curated the best innovations to enhance your comfort, safety, and convenience. Get ready to upgrade your camping setup and make your next trip